Hi there guys, and hello again, welcome to my channel. And today I have something very special to you, and I'm sure many of you are going to find this very useful, because this is going to be part of the series where I'm going to explain how you can actually start from scratch by doing online promotions, whether it is for YouTube channel, Instagram, or pretty much anything else that you want to grow. So the first video in this series is going to be about Reddit, and how you can actually get those karma points that are going to allow you to post in more populated and more high ranking Reddits that will later serve as traffic generators for pretty much whatever you place online. Almost I forgot. Make sure to stay to the end of this video, because at some point of this video I'm going to show you another cool example on how to increase engagement on your social media on even easier way. Let's get down to the video. Alright, so let's get to the point. Karma points here on Reddit serve as gauge on how credible your account is. So obviously new accounts have very low karma, and those senior accounts have much higher number of karma points. So karma points basically serve as protection against spam accounts and how trustworthy your account is. So as you can see here in the right corner, I have only 6 karma, and for most credible subreddits you need to have at least 10 karma or 20 karma, which is the most common, in order to post anything. Otherwise you're going to get banned by auto moderator. But luckily for you, I have found a way on how to easily get to 20 or more karma within a single day. So what you have to do is to have an Instagram account, or pretty much any other social media account where you need following. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how this thing works actually with Instagram account. I've chosen some random Instagram account that I'm going to use for this opportunity, but I'm pretty sure that this kittenish account doesn't really need this type of exposure, but let's do it anyway. So while on Reddit we have to search for something like follow for follow. Because obviously it's Instagram, but as you can see here, and there is Twitch and probably many other social media platforms, but we just have to select this flare, which is Instagram. So it's going to open all Instagram posts that are under the Instagram flare. As you can see, F for F means follow for follow, and we're going to hit this guy. So here we see that he is looking for follow and like for like, and that other people are actually responding to him. So the whole point of this is to get karma, and the easiest way is to get it by simply posting posts that are meaningful, which in this case is going to be meaningful, that we're going to help him achieve follower and like. So it doesn't really matter from which account you're following him. I have my account logged in here, but I'm not going to advertise anything from it because it really doesn't have any posts. But this kittenish is going to have a post. So we're going to grab link of her photo, and we're going to go here and write something like this. I'm just going to speed it up a little bit. Alright, so before I post it as a comment, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to actually follow his account here that he mentioned, and I'm going to like one of his posts. So in order to fulfill this, we just have to do what we came for. So as you can see, he got like and he got a follow, and we can close this, and then we can actually post this as a comment. But before I post it, I'm going to explain how this works. So you see here, the keyword here is upvote. So when people upvote your comment, you're going to get comment karma, And when they upvote a Reddit post, you're going to get a karma for posting. So those two karma add up and they're going to build your karma, which during the course of one day is going to raise even more than 20. So then you'll be eligible to post in multiple credible Reddit posts. So for example, within the first few times you're going to be allowed to post only once per 10 minutes, which is okay. So you can pretty much do anything else like playing games or doing something in between, but the point is to get over 10. Okay, so as this is posted, some of you might ask, is this legal to entice people on upvoting while you're doing this on Reddit? And since this is a subreddit post for Instagram likes, it is obviously allowed to ask for any type of this kind of services. You got follow and like on Instagram post, and you have upvotes both on your comments and on your Reddit posts, which is all in all beneficial. You're probably asking yourself now, is this actually legal, at least from the Instagram or pretty much any social media that you're doing this for from their side? So it is. Technically, you shouldn't do this, but nobody's going to care because these are real people and they're actually accessing your social media from their own IP address. So you're pretty much safe. It would be like pretty much any other people followed you from hashtag post or pretty much any other link that you put online. Now there is another way also, and this way is not going to impact your Reddit karma, but it is going to impact your engagement. So if you really wish to continue growing your Instagram, all what you have to do is that you have to go on Facebook and type here follow for follow Instagram, and what you want to do is you want to join all of these groups and pages which are related to Instagram growth or Instagram PODs or something like that. So what you actually want to make sure of is that these pages or groups are active and that they have over 20 posts per day, because these are active groups, and the more they have, the more return on your social profile you're going to get. So if you're into some of these groups, I mean, I have sent a request, but they haven't accepted me yet, but they will soon on time. And once I'm in, I'll be able to send my profile and go here and acquire new followers, as long as I'm going to do the same for them. So guys, this would be it. If you have some questions, drop it down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to put more videos on how to make money online, or how to do proper SEO for your website or blog, or pretty much anything related along these lines. So stay tuned and let me know if you like this video by putting those thumbs up, and until next video, see you again.